kor kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ka Datayug ka bade ka way na ki society na nong ba Shillong. Nakajingan trailang bat ka CMYDS. Hagakat prati unai wing arajar arpusan lapenlong gajingan thirnya. Halo ka digital literacy awareness kablalong FGEM Higher Secondary School nong Spung West Khasi Hills District. Haringkat gajingan dan lang kidukot ka Datayug Society kibla ajing pensyai ki Khynnah Skul Jinghikai badu principal. Kathong magajing temu jong ka society ben penlong kum kini gajing ajing pensyai kalong ben pentikna. Bahaga ni ka Pyrthei digital ka Jylla migalaya hi barok kawai kalong ka Shngaiñ bat ka balait ni gajing sneer jogi kor internet bat gajing syak thok ni syak tu online hakiri syukor.
Ketika Datayug Society, ketika NGO, kan governmental organisation, ketika wana Shillong, kita happen thar umkha. Tementang iwan ketika workshops, bangin ai ban pen sapyang ya ketika digital awareness but digital literacy, hamtam ketika cyber crime but cyber bullying. Ya ketika Khynnah hani FGEM Higher Secondary School dan Spung. Te mentang ngilawan hani ngiladat ketika workshops ni ai benta kini ki cyber bullying mas bakham pau ki bakham mi bha kan ni ha India mentang ban babun sin hi kila sha kta bha kan ki Khynnah mentang kimde tang ki Khynnah mo ki ba national national kandong national mobile phone sangi ai pin sapyang ki ai awareness ki ni pen ai knowledge ki ba kumna bakin ai tips na ki techniques kumna ba pin avoid na kini ki cyberbullying, cybercrime.
I come from Datayug Society. I am the educational head, and Datayug Society lives for just one mission, which is to look for a safer digital environment in and across Meghalaya. And we are an organization that has actively been working in and around Shillong for the last 2 years. We have empowered over 8,000 students, spread awareness, and we are looking forward to covering more students so that we are able to reach a much more specific target audience. We are in collaboration today with the CMYDS, Chief Minister's Youth Development Scheme, and we are looking forward to having much more support from the government so we can, proceed ahead with this vision. So we were talking about cell phone addiction, cyberbullying, because a lot of these students in the rural areas are targeted about cyberbullying, and there is not much exposure to the mental health awareness and everything here. So what I was thinking, or our organization was thinking, is that if we could just empower them on cyberbullying so that they know what are the various cyberbullying and how to identify patterns if they are ever being cyberbullied through their cell phones, and also the various patterns of scams, because these are 11 and 12 students. Once they graduate, or even after 12, they might be looking for jobs, and these scams for jobs and everything keeps happening in and around. So our motive was to empower them through this workshop.